Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is Priyanka and how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna create an ethnic look because as we all know कि सामने दुर्गा पूजा आ रहा है and इस आउटफिट से समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि आज मैं कुछ एथनिक लुक बनाऊंगी, एथनिक लुक क्रिएट करूंगी because सामने दुर्गा पूजा है. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. Next is your foundation. With the help of the beauty blender, just blend it. Next step is concealer. Next is your loose powder. I will be using this shade. Next, I will be using this shade. Now I will be using this color. Now I will be using this shade. Color. ये शायद से black दिख रहा होगा, but so for the lower lining I am using this green color. Next is contouring. Now it's time for blush. Now it's time for highlighter. Now it's time for mascara. You can use false eyelashes if you want. Finally, it's done. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this ethnic makeup look, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.